Welcome to Leko Academy. Now in this video we are going to handle a question under geometric progression. Now here the question says the nth term of the geometric progression is given by 160 open bracket half close to the power n. Find the first three terms. This is A, number B, common ratio, C, sum to infinity of the progression. Now to start with the number A, so we are finding the first three terms. So the formula, since they are saying the geometric progression is given by this, so this becomes the formula that we are going to use. So T1 is equal to 160 multiplied by half to the power n. Now here on n we are going to put the term that we are finding. So here we are finding the first term, so on n we are going to put 1. 1 represents the first term. So T1 therefore is equal to 160 multiplied by half to the power 1. Now any number raised to the power 1, it will give us the same number again. So half raised to the power 1, it will give us half. So this is 160 multiplied by a half. So half of 160, it will give us 80. So T1 therefore is equal to 80. So this is our first term. Now find the second term, which is T2. We are still applying the same formula. 160 multiplied by half. Now on n we are putting 2 since we are finding the second term. So this 2 represents the second term. T2 is equal to 160 multiplied by 1 to the power 2, that is 1 over 2 to the power 2, this is 4. So 160 multiplied by 1, this is 160 divided by this 4, this will be 40. So T2 is equal to 40. So 40 becomes the second term. Now to find the third term, so to find T3, we are still applying the same formula. 160 multiplied by half to the power n. So 160 multiplied by half to the power, here on number of terms we are putting 3, since we are finding the third term. So T3 therefore is equal to 160 multiplied by 1 to the power 3, this is 1 over 2 to the power 3, this is 8. So 160 multiplied by 1, it will give us 160 divided by this 8, this will be 20. So our terms therefore, we have 80, 40, 20. These are the first three terms. So for number B, to find the common ratio, so number B, the common ratio is given by this formula, T2 divided by T1. So our T2, it is 40 divided by T1, this is 80. So 40 divided by 80, this is 0.5. So 0.5 is the common ratio. So this one we can take it to a fraction also. So it is the same as half. So this becomes the common ratio. R represents the common ratio. Now question C, they are saying sum to infinity of the progression. So to find the sum, so this is number C. Sum to infinity is equal to A. A represents the first term over 1 minus R. So sum to infinity is equal to A. This is the first term. So our first term, that is 80, over 1 minus the common ratio, this is a half. So this one we can punch it at once. So down there we have 1 minus half, so 1 minus 0.5, which is 0.5. So 80, which is the first term, divided by our answer, which is 0.5. This is giving us 160. So here the answer, it is 160. So this is how we handle questions under geometric progression.